Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dandelion greens. First, let's talk about harvesting. For the best flavor, always look for young, tender dandelion leaves, as older ones can be quite bitter. Make sure you're gathering from areas that haven't been treated with pesticides or are near heavy traffic. Use a sharp knife to cut the leaves at their base, just above the root, ensuring you get the whole leaf. This initial step is crucial for a delicious meal. Once you've harvested your greens, the next step is proper cleaning and preparation. Thoroughly wash the dandelion greens in cold water to remove any dirt or small insects. To help reduce their natural bitterness, soak the greens in a bowl of cold water with about 1 tablespoon of salt or vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, pat them dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner. This ensures they're ready for cooking. Now, let's explore some popular cooking methods. A simple and delicious way is to sauté them. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, then toss in your greens and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until wilted. Another option is blanching. Boil them for 2 to 3 minutes, then immediately plunge into ice water. This mellows their flavor significantly. You can also add chopped greens to soups or stir-fries. To further enhance the flavor and reduce any remaining bitterness, consider your serving choices. Pairing dandelion greens with acidic ingredients like a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of apple cider vinegar works wonderfully. Richer flavors such as crispy bacon bits, a knob of butter, or a touch of cream can also beautifully complement their earthy taste. Serve them as a nutritious side dish or integrate them into your favorite pasta or egg dishes for a healthy boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.